Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to block pop-up in Google Chrome on an Android device. Okay, let's go to the tutorial. Well, first thing first, you can open Google Chrome on your device. And then here you can click on three dots at the top right corner. After that, click Settings option. And then here you can scroll down. And then click Site Settings. Okay, after that, please scroll again until you found this option. Okay, and then here you can block it by tapping this button. Well, that's the tutorial on how to block pop-up in Google Chrome on an Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.